Hello. Now, I have no idea if this is Ziggy or if it's Chewy. So, Ziggy and Chewy it is. And I think, quite frankly, their ears are getting bigger. Come on, you. Come on. I see your nose. I see your nose. I'm not sure their bodies are getting that much bigger, but that's probably because we see them every day. But definitely radar ears going on. Hello, gorgeous. Gorgeous boy. Oh, hello. I see you. I see you. They're really coming out of their shells. They're super. Nice big bunny rabbits. Yeah? You're nice big bunny rabbits. Yes, you are. And they're quite comfortable in their little chicken coop. We're using the nesting boxes for their nice soft hay, and they're bedding down in the in the horse hay. So, hiya, hello, gorgeous, hello, gorgeous. And they have salad for breakfast, and then they have bunny cookies and bunny dinner and bunny dinner. Yeah, don't jump out. Don't jump out. That would be silly. Yeah.